This First Choice Realtors property video is presented by Karri Porter. The woodwork and stained glass in this home is amazing. It features a grand foyer, 6 bedrooms, 2.5 baths and a huge shelter in the backyard by the in-ground pool. Lots of space in this home for whatever you may need. Sellers had hardwood floors put in the living and dining rooms and had the build-ins in the living room made. Don't miss the chance to make this big home yours. For more information, review the details below.